Oh, thank God. Someone actually found me. I thought I was done for a moment there. I can get us both safely to the surface. Just find the control panel in there and open the chamber doors for me. Alright, look. If you still don't think I'm trustworthy enough, there's a locked storage room behind you. You probably noticed that it's guarded with a 4-digit passcode. Inside is some useful equipment, as well as a pill of SCP-500. The passcode is 5731. Got it? 5731. You see? You can trust me. Now please, just hurry and open the door. Now, I think we got off on the wrong foot here. Really. To prove that I'm not up to no good, try that locked door over there. The code is 5731. 5731. Got it? You'll find all sorts of goodies in there, okay? Please, just not the gas again. Wait, what the hell are you doing? What the hell are... Please, why... Just please... I can't breathe. No! Thank you. Just please, don't do that again. Now, was that really necessary? I offer you some help and you try to thank me by suffocating me?
So, you really don't want to leave this place alive, do you? You know there's no way a lone D-class like you will make it to the surface safely. Even if you did, they'd gun you down the moment you came across their reticles. I'll give you one more chance here. Just open the chamber doors, and we'll forget about this little gas incident.
Well, what are you waiting for? What? Do you not... Alright, I admit it. I wouldn't blame you if you don't think I look trustworthy. But please, I need your help, and quickly. The mask has been stuck to my face for some time now, and I think I might need medical attention or it might kill me from the inside. Just let me out, and I can find us an exit in a matter of time. I'm starting to lose my patience here. What are you doing just standing there? You know, the mobile task force will be entering the facility any minute now. Guess what they do to stray Class Ds like you? Fine. Good luck getting out all on your own. Are you even listening? Unfortunately, I can't take you with me. You're too much of a liability in many ways. So yes, I did lie to you. But for the sake of my freedom, the easiest way to get out safely is probably Gate A. The security is pretty high, but if you manage to sneak past the guards and reach the lower level under the bridge, there's an unguarded service tunnel. That's your way out. Unfortunately, I never had any intentions of taking you with me, so this is where we part ways. But for the sake of my freedom, I have reason to believe that SCP-079 has taken control of the facility's systems, including the door system. Your best bet is to appeal to it somehow. Hopefully you can come to a compromise. However, it does not control the warheads, which you should disable remotely in the event that something goes wrong. I commemorate you for your help, but I have no further business with you. I have no intentions of taking a person whom earned their imprisonment with me. But for the sake of my freedom, the simplest way for you to get out safely is to go and find SCP-012 in the light containment zone. If you can read between the lines, it'll be as interpretable as a map. Good luck. Attention too. Please. I'm currently in the
zone, beyond checkpoint E. I'm locked in SCP-035's containment chamber.